Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today, I am going to show you how to add text directly over an image in Microsoft Word. First, insert your image by going to the Insert tab and clicking Pictures. Once the image is in your document, click on it to select it. A small icon will appear next to the top right corner of the image. It looks like a boat with lines. Click it and choose Behind Text from the menu. This lets the text sit on top of the image. Now go to the Insert tab again, click Text Box, then choose Simple Text Box from the drop-down. A box will appear. Type your text inside it. Click on the edge of the text box to select it. Go to the Shape Format tab that appears, click Shape Fill, and choose No Fill. Then click Shape Outline and choose No Outline. The background of the text box will disappear, leaving only your text. Now drag the text box anywhere over the image. Use the corners to resize it, and the circle arrows to rotate it. One important thing to know, if the text keeps snapping to the wrong spot, hold Ctrl while dragging to move it freely and precisely. A quick tip, to change the color of your text so it stands out against the image, select the text, go to the Home tab, and pick a bold color from the Font Color drop-down. White usually works well on dark images, and black on light images. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.